Welcome to our channel, fellow nature enthusiasts. Today, we embark on a journey into the fascinating world of fruit trees. Whether you possess a sprawling garden or a modest balcony, fear not, for there exists a fruit tree perfectly suited to your needs. Let's begin, shall we? Our first subject hails from the sun-kissed shores of the Mediterranean, a region renowned for its abundance of flavorful fruits, each one bursting with vibrant colors and rich tastes. The fig tree, with its ancient lineage and remarkable adaptability, has long been a staple in gardens across the globe. Its history dates back thousands of years, cherished by various cultures for its sweet, nutritious fruit. Imagine a miniature orchard gracing your balcony, its branches heavy with plump honeyed figs, ready to be plucked and savored. This delightful tree can transform any small space into a lush, productive garden. Fig trees thrive in warm climates, basking in the golden rays of the sun. They are sun lovers, needing ample light to produce their best fruit. Choose a location that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. The more sunlight, the better the yield and quality of the figs. A well-drained potting mix is essential, preventing the roots from becoming waterlogged. Good drainage ensures the roots stay healthy and the tree remains vigorous. Remember, a thirsty fig tree is a happy fig tree, so be sure to water deeply twice a week. Consistent watering helps the tree develop strong roots and produce juicy, flavorful figs. To further encourage your fig tree's growth and productivity, a monthly dose of balanced fertilizer is recommended. This provides essential nutrients that support robust growth and abundant fruiting. With proper care and attention, your fig tree will reward you with its succulent bounty in under 2 years. Enjoy the fruits of your labor, fresh from your very own Mediterranean delight. Next, we journey to the temperate regions of the world, where a familiar favorite reigns supreme: the apple tree. A symbol of health, prosperity, and folklore, the apple tree has graced gardens and orchards for centuries. Unlike its sun-loving cousin, the fig tree, the apple tree thrives in cooler climates. To cultivate these beloved fruits, ample space is required, as apple trees can reach impressive heights. A sunny location is ideal, allowing the leaves to capture the sun's energy. When planting your apple tree, ensure a spacing of at least 20 feet between trees. Weekly watering is essential, especially during the first few years. To maintain the health and vigor of your apple tree, an annual application of compost is recommended. With proper care, your apple tree can produce up to an astonishing 130 pounds of apples per year. Our journey now takes us to the sun-drenched landscapes of Southeast Asia, a region known for its vibrant flora and rich biodiversity. Here, amidst the lush greenery, a citrus gem awaits: the Meyer lemon tree, a true marvel of nature. This delightful hybrid, a cross between a lemon and an orange, is prized for its sweet, juicy fruit and intoxicating fragrance. Its unique flavor profile makes it a favorite among chefs and home gardeners alike. One of the many virtues of the Meyer lemon tree is its adaptability to container life, making it perfect for those with limited garden space. To ensure your Meyer lemon tree thrives, choose a container that is at least 15 gallons in size. This provides ample room for the roots to grow and ensures the tree remains healthy. A well-drained potting mix is essential, as Meyer lemon trees are susceptible to root rot. Ensure the soil is light and airy to promote good drainage. Meyer lemon trees are thirsty creatures and require regular watering, especially during the hot summer months. Consistent moisture is key to their growth. Check the soil moisture regularly and water deeply whenever the top inch of soil feels dry. This helps the roots to grow strong and deep. To encourage an abundance of fruit, bi-monthly fertilization is recommended. Use a balanced fertilizer to provide essential nutrients. With proper care, your Meyer lemon tree will reward you with its fragrant blossoms and juicy fruit within a year. Enjoy the fruits of your labor and the sunshine in a pot. Our next destination takes us to the arid regions of the Middle East and Asia, where a fruit of ancient lineage thrives: the pomegranate. Revered for its jewel-toned arils and symbolic significance, the pomegranate has graced tables and gardens for millennia. Like the fig tree, the pomegranate is well suited to container life. A 10-gallon container is ideal, providing ample room for the roots to spread and grow. Pomegranate trees thrive in sunny locations, soaking up the sun's energy to produce their sweet, juicy arils. Watering should be done on a weekly basis, allowing the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. To encourage healthy growth and fruit production, fertilize your pomegranate tree twice a year. Use a balanced fertilizer, following the package instructions carefully. With proper care, your pomegranate tree will grace you with its stunning fruit in under 2 years. Our journey now takes us to the humid tropics of Southeast Asia, where a fruit of unique beauty awaits, the starfruit, also known as carambola. With its distinctive star-like shape and sweet, juicy flesh, the starfruit is a true marvel of the natural world, offering both visual appeal and delightful taste. Like the fig tree, the starfruit tree thrives in warm climates and prefers slightly acidic soil. This makes it an ideal candidate for tropical and subtropical regions. It is also well suited to container life, its roots happily confined within the boundaries of a pot, making it perfect for urban gardeners or those with limited space. When choosing a container for your starfruit tree, opt for a size that is at least 15 gallons. This ensures ample space for root growth and stability. A well-drained potting mix is essential, as starfruit trees are susceptible to root rot. Ensure the mix is rich in organic matter to support healthy growth. Water your starfruit tree whenever the soil feels dry to the touch. Consistent moisture is key, but avoid waterlogging the roots. To encourage healthy growth and fruit production, fertilize your starfruit tree twice a year. Use a balanced fertilizer to provide essential nutrients. With proper care, your starfruit tree will reward you with its exotic fruit in under 3 years. Enjoy the fruits of your labor, fresh from your own garden. Our exploration now leads us to the slopes of the Andes Mountains in South America, where a unique and flavorful fruit thrives, the Cape gooseberry, also known as the Peruvian ground cherry. This intriguing fruit captivates with its papery husk and sweet, slightly tangy flavor. While the Cape gooseberry may seem exotic, it is surprisingly easy to grow in USDA zones 8 to 11. These resilient plants thrive in warm climates and are relatively low maintenance. When planting Cape gooseberries, choose a location that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. They prefer slightly acidic soil with good drainage. Cape gooseberries are relatively drought-tolerant but benefit from regular watering. Water deeply, allowing the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. With proper care, your Cape gooseberry plants will reward you with an abundance of their unique and flavorful fruits. Our journey now takes us to the heart of North America, where a fascinating and often overlooked fruit awaits, the pawpaw. This intriguing fruit, with its mango-like flavor and custard-like texture, is a true testament to the diversity of nature's bounty. Pawpaw trees are native to the eastern United States and thrive in cool, humid areas with slightly acidic soil. They prefer partial shade, especially during the hottest parts of the day. When planting pawpaw trees, it's important to note that they require cross-pollination to produce fruit. This means you'll need to plant at least 2 different cultivars within close proximity. Pawpaw trees are relatively low maintenance but benefit from regular watering. With a little patience and care, your pawpaw trees will reward you with their unique and delicious fruit. Our final destination takes us to the lush, tropical regions of the world, where a fruit of unparalleled passion awaits, the passion fruit. With its exotic appearance, intoxicating aroma, and tangy, sweet flavor, the passion fruit is a true sensory delight. While passion fruit thrives in warm climates, there's a hardier relative, the Maypop, that can flourish in most parts of the U.S. This resilient vine is an excellent choice for those seeking a taste of the tropics in their own backyard. Maypop passion fruit vines are vigorous climbers and can quickly cover trellises, fences, or arbors. They prefer full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil. Water your Maypop passion fruit vine regularly, especially during dry periods. With a little care and attention, your Maypop passion fruit vine will reward you with an abundance of its exotic and flavorful fruit. As we conclude our journey through the diverse world of fruit trees, I hope you feel inspired to embark on your own horticultural adventure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. And be sure to share your own fruit-growing experiences in the comments below. We love hearing from our fellow nature enthusiasts. Until next time, happy planting!